Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Here we're going to talk about the alleged collapse of the Minister of the FCT, Nyesom Wike, at a meeting in Abuja, and the denial of that story by his media aide, and then the absence of Nyesom Wike at President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's 73rd birthday. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you're new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell, so that anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Lere Olayinka, the spokesperson of Minister of FCT, Nyesom Wike, has dismissed rumors that Nyesom Wike collapsed and was flown to France for medical attention. Recall that there was the story, reports making the rounds earlier Friday, which claimed that Wike suffered a partial stroke, but his spokesperson denied this report. Olayinka, in a statement he released, asserted that his boss was inspecting projects on the FCT, around the FCT, on the alleged time he supposedly collapsed. Olayinka refuted the claim, saying that it was not true that his principal collapsed during a meeting on Friday, March 28, and was flown abroad. And of course, why I'm discussing this issue is because as a student of politics, I understand that there was something that Otto von Bismarck, a German philosopher, said. He said, never believe anything in politics until it has been officially denied. Therefore, based on the well-honed advice of Otto von Bismarck, that never believe anything in politics until it has been denied. So I wouldn't have paid attention to that story. I would have just dismissed it as part of those stories that make the round in the social media. But because Olayinka took his time to deny it, I think it's important we look at it, whether it is true or not. I don't know, but from his official perspective, it is not true. But Otto von Bismarck told us, never believe anything in politics until it has been officially denied. That is why we are looking at it. I don't know what to think about this, but much more concerned to many too was the fact that it was alleged that Nyesom Wike was not present at the 73rd birthday celebration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. If that report is true, that he was absent, then it's really worrisome for the admirers of Nyesom Wike to ponder, why would Nyesom Wike miss such an opportunity of being present in Bola Ahmed Tinubu's 73rd birthday, given the fact that he had, even before anybody can kick off 2027 campaign, he has already started making it clear that he's working for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, even though he is from the opposition People's Democratic Party. And there are plans already, allegedly by his group, to do a mega party, a mega rally in support of Bola Ahmed Tinubu in Bayelsa State, which is something I may talk about in another video. I will discuss about it in another video. So that's what is unfolding. It has been officially denied that Nyesom Wike collapsed and that he allegedly suffered partial stroke and was flown to France. So that is the information available now. And you know that Nyesom Wike is a major player in Nigerian politics right now. Whether we like it or not, He is at the epicenter of what is happening in River State, culminating to the state of emergency. He is the reason why even Atiku Abubakar and others are planning to leave the People's Democratic Party, and they are no longer seeing it as an option to contest the 2027 presidential election. It is because of Nyesom Wike that so many people are either leaving PDP or they are not likely to use PDP as a platform in 2027. Already the impact of Nyesom Wike has led to a situation where in Anambra State, which used to be a hotbed of PDP, nobody was ready to pick form to contest for the governorship election in Anambra State. And Nyesom Wike is also believed that he is working hard to make sure that PDP doesn't even have a presidential candidate. Or if he had any presidential candidate at all in 2027, it will be somebody that cannot influence affect the president, cannot challenge Tinubu for the position. That's the way it is. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.